everybody, I'm here to give you a hair tip today. I found this out from a professional stylist and I thought, that makes sense what he had to say. I had been practicing it for a while, but the way he explained it really hit home with me, and I hope it'll hit home with you as well. So in case you don't know me, I'm Karen Head. I'm an Associate Market Mentor with Monarch Global, and I'm here to talk to you about a hair tip. So I have washed my hair, and I used, instead of a conditioner today, I used a super moisture mask on my hair. And my hair feels lovely, and I'm ready to go off to a birthday party, so I really got to get going here. Won't keep you. But you can see my hair. It looks pretty smooth, right? Not bad. The ends are fine, no split ends, everything's healthy, but it's not perfectly smooth. And this is the interesting part. If you were to be ironing a sheet, okay, on an ironing board, you wouldn't have it all crinkled, right? So why would you do that with your hair? So if I just took this flat iron and literally just went through it really quick, right? And my hair hasn't been combed out, it's a bit crinkled, shall we say, right? Right. Well, we don't want it to be crinkled. Hi, Robin. We don't want it to be crinkled because if you took fabric, let me see here. Do I have an example? I don't have an example. Okay, but if you took a sheet and it was crinkled and you put the iron on it, that sheet's going to be crinkled after it's done. Well, this is what you want to do with your hair, just like you would with fabric, because hair is, in its own way, kind of like fabric. So I like to section it, and this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to show you guys, and you may already know this, so I always like to use my clips. I use my clips a lot. So what you do, you take that hair that's not smooth, and you always start at the ends, and then comb it through. This is like a brush that has different heights to it, to the I don't know what you call these things, but anyways, it just kind of helps get through the hair easier. Not that my hair's tangly, but there it goes. So see how it's now smooth? All right. Hi, Lisa. Hi, Robin. So when you take the hair that's now smooth and not crinkled, much like a bed sheet, when you go to iron it, tighten up that bed sheet, iron it, nice and smooth, right? Same with your hair. So I make sure my hair is always smooth first. You could use a comb, you can use a brush, and then I take my flat iron and I get very smooth hair. Okay? That's the secret. Sound good? Hi, Alana. Hi, David. So, let me do that again one more time. So if I just took my hair, and my hair looks like that, right? So it's smooth, but it could be smoother. Well, watch, right? So we take it from the, remember guys, mechanical stress, you don't want to ever do that to your hair. It can be 30 times more damaging than coloring your hair. And I heard that from a world scalp and hair expert. So I believe her. Take it from Dr. Antonella Tosti, not from Karen Head. But anyway, so I'm just smoothing it, right? I know this is a lot slower than it would be if I were doing it normally. But see, it's just that much smoother. Now is the time that I take my hair and I'm going to flat iron it. Got it? That makes sense? So just while I have you here, you always want to keep that flat iron moving. There we go. Smooth. And I'm going to do the other side. While I have you here, I just wanted to share that with you. And I want you to know till midnight on Sunday, we do have a crazy awesome deal where you can get a free hair mask. Not a free face mask, but a free hair mask, okay? And this is great for restructuring the hair, bringing integrity back to the hair and repair, and also moisture and hydration. Now, I use a super moisture mask today because it's been forever since I've masked my hair, and I thought, I am going to treat myself to a mask treatment. So that's what I did. And yeah, so my hair feels even nicer than it normally does. Is that possible? My hair usually feels pretty darn good. I'm going to clip this there. That's way easier. Hello. So anyhow, yeah, so when you go and buy a system, or as I discovered for my new VIP, you can even pick the products you want. So she got a shampoo and a conditioner and a hairspray. She didn't even have to get a particular system. Systems are normally a shampoo, conditioner, and style product. And anyhow, she got a free mask. A free mask. That's going to last her a year. She could use it like once a month, just as she wanted to. See how I've smoothed it out, guys, right? So that's what I just wanted to tell you. That's that hair tip I told you earlier, in case you're just tuning in. You want to smoothen your hair first. But I think it's a great deal. Always go to the ends first, right? that you can get a free hair mask. You can get a restorative one for damage, one for moisture, one for hydration, very specific to your needs for free. That's about I think it's $65 for a hair mask. This is a tub though that is going to last you literally like at least a year, I think. So there you have it. And you get it for free. And if you're a new VIP, you even get another product for free, which is usually like this. Like the CC cream is available for free. Complete Care. Brings nutrients and whatnot into the hair. Gotta take my hair out from here. And I call it my refresher. I like to refresh my hair with it. Or put it in my hair right now. So I'm gonna do that. Okay? Look at all this hair. This is what this product does, guys. Gets the hair growing. So I'm going to take that little tiny bit. Bloop. That's a tiny bit. Rub it in my hands. And I just let my curls settle a little bit. It's nice to let your curls settle, not to just go and start fiddling with your hair right away, because when you do, the curl hasn't had a chance to set. In fact, yeah, that feels cool. So once it's cool, go right ahead, do your thing. There we go. I am ready to go to a 50th birthday party. And my hair just feels great. I want you to have great hair for the summer, to get your hair hydrated and feeling wonderful and silky and manageable and name it. My last client I just talked to today also told me that she no longer has itchy scalp because I gave her a sample. She tried it and she said, my scalp's not itchy at all and it feels so much cleaner and lighter in my hair. Oh my gosh. And now she's a VIP because she said, I just got to get the rest of this stuff. So it's pretty super. Thanks for joining me today. Hope you're having a wonderful weekend and you've enjoyed some weather out there if you're here from Niagara before the rain comes again. I'm in here in Thorold and we actually have a little reprieve right now. Anyhow, you have a fantastic weekend, and if you need me, that sale goes till Sunday midnight, and I thank you for joining me. Take care. Bye.